What up, babies? I'm back again. Back again with another lit candle review. This is Bath and Body Works, y'all, and it's one of the new ones. I think it's a new. I really do, and it's called Sweet Mint Julep. Whew. It hit different. So let's get right into this candle, y'all. First of all, I'm Rude. Good morning. How are you? It's Monday, the day after the festivities. I hope you all had a wonderful break and holiday, because I know some of you have to go back to work today. I don't. I'm off until the 4th. How many of y'all wanted to sock me in my face for that? Sorry. Anywho, all right, so the candle, y'all. The packaging is cute. It's a wraparound with some hues of green, mint, and sage, I guess. Set leaves at the bottom. It's cute. It has that, you know what, it would have been better if the sage ribbon in the middle was a darker sage or something. Shay. Okay. And it has that nice galvanized top that I like so much. I think it's because it looks aged. Because I'm aged. It looks beat up, weathered, aged. I don't know what the fuck I'm trying to say. Anywho. All right. Shh, I didn't say that. White wax with chicken leg. Chicken leg. Ooh. Chicken leg. Ooh. Yo, this smells so good. Oh, sugar. Y'all. Ooh, I don't know. It smells so good. It smells good. It's weird. All I know is it smells good. It's weird. I don't even know what I smell. I smell a citrus note. Well, isn't it mint? Well, that's not citrus. What you talking about? I can't stand her, y'all. Do I smell mint? Yeah, I smell mint. Do you? Let's get into these notes because it's early. I haven't had my coffee yet. Yeah, that's my story. And I'm sticking to it. All right. I think I might need glasses for this one. Okay, here we go. Crushed rosemary mint. Really? All right. A splash of bourbon. Sweet vanilla. Simple syrup. With essential oils. What? I don't smell none of that. Anywho, all right. So let me trim a little bit, light, and get this puppy started, y'all. I'm excited for this one. Yeah. Y'all don't work too hard, all right? Don't work too hard. All right. Stay tuned. Hey, y'all. Okay. I'm surprised. This is a good candle, y'all. I don't know. I feel like I'm at a resort somewhere just getting wasted. I like it. All right, the throw, y'all. The throw is like an 8 because it's great. I know, it's corny. But this candle really surprised me. It's cute or whatever. Okay, is that how you baby say it? Or whatever. It's the throw for me. Shay. No, I like it. And the smell is so good. I mean, it smells delectable. It do. It smells like a julep. A mint julep. Yeah, it's good. Okay, performance. This thing pulled quicker than a month. It really did. It was like expeditiously. And it's nice and even. Cute burn. I mean, you know. Medium to high flame. I seen a little soot just now, but it's acting up, showing out because it wasn't doing it before. Yeah, it got some mushrooms going on, but it's okay. I trimmed them and I relit it. I like her. And I'm about to shake the table with this one, but yeah, it's a repurchase. It's a repurchase. I know. It's good, y'all. I like her. All right. Yeah, all right. I don't have nothing else to say. So, having said all of that, what? I will see you babies later. Woo woo. I love you guts. And be good, all right?